Hello and welcome to the Distributor How-To video series. The tools to help you sell more products are now in our basket. To get to the basket, make a product search. Select the products you want. These are now in the basket. Once in the basket, you can place an order with your suppliers, request quotes from suppliers, request samples from suppliers, export data to your Office software, quote your customer, and send idea sheets to your customers too. To send an idea sheet to your customer, simply click this button here. Name the idea sheets. You're then ready to send the customer the product ideas that you've chosen for them. There's two ways you can do that. You can send it direct from Sourcing Machine, where it shows as an HTML file, or you can choose to send it as a PDF via your own email inbox. You can edit any of the information on here, and then once you're happy with everything, just click View or Download it, and a PDF presentation of the ideas that you've chosen to show your customer will appear. You can then download that and send that direct to your customer. Thanks for watching.